Look at one more problem given in IIT, this one. Next two problems are given in IIT, look at. Suppose he has given like this. X into e power sin x minus cos x equal to 0. Roots in this interval. You have to calculate number of roots of this equation in open 0 comma pi by 2. Open 0 comma pi by 2. Look at this. Take this as f of x and construct the graph. First, where it increases, where it decreases. F dash x you calculate. F dash x. F dash x is nothing but d by dx of this. Minus d by dx of cos x. This. So therefore f dash x is nothing but uv x into derivative of e power sin x is what? E power sin x into cos x plus e power sin x v into derivative of u is 1. So minus of minus sin x plus sin x. Right? This is you got. Now look at. So in 0 to pi by 2, x is what? Positive, that is. So this is positive. This is 0 to pi by 2 means positive. X is positive means this is positive. E power is always positive. Cos x means here this is given x. X is 0 to pi by 2 means first quadrant. This is always positive. Now e power is always positive. Sin x, x is first quadrant, this is positive. Directly we can say f dash x greater than 0 for all x belongs to 0 comma pi by 2. For all x belongs to, directly you can say by analyzing, this is positive, e power is always positive, first quadrant angle cos x positive, e power sin x positive, first quadrant angle sin x positive. Therefore, f of x increases in 0 comma pi by 2. 0 comma pi by 2. Now I am going to draw graph of f of x in 0 comma pi by 2. Look at f of 0 is what? F of 0 calculate. Here not f dash x, f of 0. This is 0. This is 0 minus 1. Minus 1 negative. F of pi by 2 I am calculating. F of pi by 2. F of pi by 2 means, look at here, pi by 2 into e power 1 minus 0. Pi by 2 e, that is positive. Somewhere positive quantity. If you are constructing the graph, only 0 to pi by 2 only. Only 0 to pi by 2, that's all. In between this and this graph, f of 0 is what? Negative, somewhere here. Right? It increases plus sign. Increases, plus sign means increases. F of pi by 2 is what? A positive value, whatever it may be. Somewhere here, let us say positive value. This is pi e by 2. Right? So from 0 to pi by 2, connect this point from bottom to top. Bottom to top. That means how many roots? One root. How many roots? One root. That is the answer. Positive root. Positive root, that is. One root answer. Because 0 to pi by 2 it is increasing. F of 0 negative. F of pi by 2 positive. Connect from bottom to top. It will definitely cut. What is that root you don't know, but there is one root. That root you don't know what is that. That you cannot trace. You cannot solve that equation directly. Only you can say one root will be there. Like that. Take another problem. Look at another problem. The number of values of x in minus infinity comma infinity for which x square minus x sin x minus cos x equal to 0. You have to find number of values of x in minus infinity to infinity such that this is 0. That means indirectly what he is asking? What he is asking is roots of this equation. That means take f of x. Procedure is take f of x and decide where it is increasing, where it is decreasing. This f dash x is nothing but, so this is 2x minus of uv, derivative is what, uv x into cos x plus sin x into 1. So now this is minus of minus sin x, that means plus sin x. So that means this sin and this minus sin x is getting cancelled. F dash x equal, take x common here, 2 minus cos x, 2 minus cos x. Now here you cannot say directly this is positive or negative. Look at 2 minus cos x is always positive. Look at x is there minus infinity to infinity. It can be positive or negative. So look at critical points in which interval it is increasing, in which interval it is decreasing. How many points you got? X equal to 0 and cos x equal to 2. So you won't get any x value for this because cos x maximum value is 1 only. So now look at, I am constructing the graph. Minus infinity, mark the critical point 0 plus infinity, 0 plus infinity. Look at here, this is f dash x, this is first interval, this is second interval. In this interval, whether f dash x is positive or negative, look at x less than 0, minus 1 you substitute, this is minus 1, 2 minus cos minus 1, this is always positive, 2 cos x maximum value is 1 only, 2 minus cos x will always be positive, minus 1 means this is negative, right? X greater than 0, suppose 1, if you substitute 1, this is positive, 2 minus cos x is what? Positive. That means f of x decreases from minus infinity to 0 and increases from 0 to infinity. Now I am calculating f of minus infinity. Look at f of minus infinity. That means limit. Look at how to calculate. Limit extends to minus infinity. F of x is this. Take x square common. X square common. What you will get? 1 minus sin x by x minus. So at minus infinity, this 1 by x will become 0. 1 by x square will become 0. Plus infinity into 1. That means minus infinity square means plus infinity into 1. So f of minus infinity is what? Plus infinity. F of minus infinity means plus infinity. That means similarly I am calculating. Next is f of 0. Here I am writing it. F of 0. 0, 0, minus 1. F of 0 is minus 1. Somewhere here minus 1. Somewhere here minus 1. Similarly, f of plus infinity. Look at limit extends to plus infinity. This plus infinity whole square is what? Again plus infinity. That means at minus infinity, maximum point will be somewhere like this. Maximum point like this. At f of 0 minus 1 and plus infinity again maximum plus infinity. Look at here. Minus infinity to 0 decreasing from top to bottom. This point and this point, you have to connect top to bottom. Top to bottom means like this. Like this, decreasing. Then from 0 to infinity, 0 value is here, infinity value is here. That means from this point to that point, from bottom to top, increasing means. So like this, how many roots are there? This is alpha, one root, and this is beta, one root. One negative root and one positive roots. How many roots are there? Is 2. Is 2. Like that. వంశీ కృష్ణ చెప్పమ్మా. చెప్పమ్మా. పవర్ 2 అవును. అలా కాదు, అట్లా చెప్పలేము. అట్లా చెప్పలేము. 2 రూట్స్ 2 అంటే ఆ 2 రూట్స్ లో రియల్ కొన్ని 2 రూట్స్ ఉన్నాయి అనుకో, 2 ఇమాజినరీ కూడా రావచ్చు కదా. రియల్ రూట్స్ ఇక్కడ అడుగుతుంది. అర్థమైంది కదా? అంటే 2 ఉంటాయి కానీ ఇమాజినరీ ఉండొచ్చు కదా. రియల్ రూట్స్ ఇక్కడ మన కథ రియల్ రూట్స్. రియల్ రూట్స్ అంటే రియల్ అని. ఇలా మనకి రూట్స్ రూట్స్. నెక్స్ట్ ప్రాబ్లం. మోడల్స్ ఎలా ఉంటాయంటే చూడండి, ఇలా రూట్స్ ఉన్నాయి అలా రూట్స్ ఉన్నాయి అని ఇస్తారు. ఫైండ్ వాల్యూ ఆఫ్ ఏ, ఫైండ్ వాల్యూస్ ఆఫ్ ఏ అంటారు. రూట్స్, రిలేటెడ్ రూట్స్ he will give and find the value of a such that f of x equal 0 has 2 roots, 3 roots, 1 root, like that. Like those models, how to deal with it, look at. Look at the question. Find set of all values of a. Find set of all values of a for which equation given 3x power 4 plus 4x cube minus 12x square plus a equal to 0 will have all three real and distinct roots. Look at here. He is telling for what values of a this equation will have three real and distinct roots. Look at this. So that means he is clearly telling that it intersects three times. Right? Now construct the graph. Take f of x this. Take f of x equals to this equation you take 3x to the power 4 plus 4x cube minus 12x square plus a. Right? I am going to construct this graph. F dash x, you write f dash x. 12x cube. So plus 12x square minus 24x. So take 12x common, 12x common, x square plus x minus 2. That means you will get 12x into x plus 2 into x minus 1. Critical points. Critical points are what? Minus 2, 0, 1. Right? Look at. One. Right? So now he is telling it will have three real roots. Actually, f of my in this interval, whether it is increasing or decreasing, minus 3 if you substitute, minus 3 into minus 3 plus 2 minus 1, minus 3 minus 1 minus 4. Here it is negative, decreasing, here it is increasing, here it is decreasing, here it is plus infinity. Here it is increasing, right? Now look at f of minus infinity I am calculating. F of minus infinity. Minus infinity means what you will get even power na plus infinity. Right? F of minus 2 I am calculating. Minus 2 you substitute. In that minus 2 you substitute. You will get a value. Calculate that. F of minus 2, if you calculate what you will get, tell me. F of minus 2. F of minus 2, calculate, substitute minus 2 in this and tell what you will get. Fast. F of minus 2 రా ఇందులో ఈ మొత్తంలో minus 2 సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేయండి. ఏమొస్తుందా చెప్పండి. F of minus 2. ప్రణీత్ ఎంత వస్తుంది? వెరీ గుడ్, వెరీ గుడ్. A minus 32 ఇదే వచ్చింది. A minus 32. నెక్స్ట్ F of 0. F of 0 అంటే క్లియర్ గా ఉంది కదా, A. రైట్. నెక్స్ట్ F of 1. F of 1 ఎంత వస్తుంది చెప్పాలి. 1 పెడితే 3 plus 4 7 minus 12 minus A minus 5. ఇప్పుడు చూడండి మనకి ఇక్కడ క్వశ్చన్ లో ఇన్ ద క్వశ్చన్ గివెన్ ఆల్రెడీ ఇట్ హ్యాస్ 3 రియల్ రూట్స్. చూడండి కొంచెం జాగ్రత్త సెన్సిబుల్ గా ఆలోచించండి. మైనస్ ఇన్ఫినిటీ దగ్గర ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ ప్లస్ ఇన్ఫినిటీ కూడా ప్లస్ ఇన్ఫినిటీనే. మైనస్ ఇన్ఫినిటీ దగ్గర ఇలా ఉంది అబౌవ్. రైట్. సో లుక్ ఎట్ f of plus infinity here again. It must have three real roots means how many intervals are there? Look at. This is first interval, this is second interval, this is third interval, this is fourth interval. All four, 3 got 4. In the question 4. All 4 real and distinct roots. Look at here. మైనస్ ఇన్ఫినిటీ టు మైనస్ 2 డిక్రీజింగ్. చూడండి ఒకసారి, ఎప్పుడైనా ఇంటర్వెల్ లో డిక్రీజ్ అవుతుంటే నేనేం చెప్పాను, మాక్సిమం 1 రూట్ ఉంటుంది, అంతే కదా. ఇన్ టుడేస్ క్లాస్ ఫస్ట్ టాపిక్ ఇట్ సెల్ఫ్ ఐ టోల్డ్ ఇన్ ఎనీ ఇంటర్వెల్ ఇఫ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఇంక్రీజింగ్ ఆర్ డిక్రీజింగ్ మాక్సిమం 1 రూట్ విల్ బి దేర్. దేర్ వోంట్ బి 2 రూట్స్, మాక్సిమం 1 root will be there, right? So from here to here it is decreasing. In this interval, maximum one root will be there. Minus 2 to 0 again increasing. In this interval, maximum one root will be there. In 0 to 1 decreasing, maximum one root will be there. 1 to infinity, maximum one root will be there. How many roots are there for this? 4 roots. That means definitely there must be one root in this interval, one root in this interval, one root in this interval, one root in this interval. That means how the graph must be, f of minus 2 must be definitely negative. Then only one root it has to be, means from top to bottom, if you are connecting, it must cut. If f of minus 2 is here, it won't cut. That's why definitely f of minus 2 must be here. Then only one root will be there. One root must be like this. So this is one root, right? So between minus 2 to 0, one root must be there. One root must be there means minus 2 is here. F of 0 must be definitely positive. That means at f of 0, point must be there. From bottom to top you connect. There will be one root here. Like that, this. So then one root must be there between 0 to 1. F of 0 is positive. Definitely f of 1 must be what? Negative. Negative. That means like this graph will be there. Obviously, f of infinity is positive only. It will go like that, increasing. That means if it has to be 4 real roots, definitely graph must be like this. That means what can you say here? F of minus 2 less than 0. Next, f of 0 positive. That graph must have f of minus 2 negative, f of 0 positive, and f of 1 negative. F of 1 negative. So first one, f of minus 2 less than 0. That means you write the conditions. A minus 32 less than 0. A less than 32. Let us say this is first one. F of 0 greater than 0. F of 0 greater than 0 means A greater than 0. Second one. F of 1 less than 0. That means A minus 5 less than 0. That means A less than 5. A less than 5. Third. Now your answer is 1 intersection 2 intersection 3. 1 intersection 2. Answer is 1 intersection 2. Common values 3. What are the common values? 0 to 5. A belongs to 0 to 5. Like that. Look at here, I will explain once again. If he has given the real and distinct roots, we have found out minus infinity to minus 2 decreasing, minus 2 to 0 increasing, 0 to 1 decreasing, 1 to infinity increasing. So you know that if a function is increasing or decreasing in an interval, maximum one root will be there. That means definitely if it has all 4 roots, definitely in minus infinity to minus 2, one root must be there. Minus 2 to 0, one root must be there. 0 to 1, one root must be there. 1 to infinity, one root must be there. One root must be means minus infinity is here value. F of minus 2 must be down. Then only it will have one root. From top to bottom you will draw. That's why f of minus 2 less than 0. So then minus 2 to 0, one root it has to be means f of minus 2 is here. F of 0 must be above. Then only it will cut. I have written f of 0 greater than 0. Now 0 to 1, one root means f of 0 is positive. F of 1 must be negative. Like this, top to bottom. And then from here onwards, that is obvious, less infinity. It will go like that. Those conditions I have applied. F of minus 2 negative, f of 0 positive, f of 1 negative. Intersection part will be the answer. Look at next model. వంశీ ఏంటమ్మ డౌట్ వంశీ ఓకే రైట్ రైట్ చూడండి నెక్స్ట్ ప్రాబ్లం find values of k for which x cube minus 12x plus k equal to 0 has unique root in minus 2 comma 2. He is telling that in minus 2 to 2 only one root must be there. Interval he has given. In this interval, in that interval only we will construct the graph. Look at, for anything derivative, take f of x. This given equation is f of x, right? Where it is increasing, where it is in that interval, is it increasing or decreasing? You have to find out. F dash x, you find out. F dash x is nothing but 3x square minus, so 3 into x square minus 4, that means x plus 2 into x minus 2. So that means if you are constructing the graph, f dash x equal to 0 plus or minus 2 plus or minus 2. So now minus 2 2, this is x-axis. No need to draw y-axis, because if it is positive above we will mark, if it is negative below we will mark. You can drop y-axis also, no problem. Right, this is one. Right. So now f dash x, look at left side to minus 2 minus 3, if you substitute minus 3 plus 2 into minus 3 minus 2, positive, here negative, here positive. Only we want in minus 2 to 2 bus. In this only we want. What he is telling, there must be unique root. In minus 2 to 2, it is decreasing. It is clearly decreasing. There must be one root, means f of minus 2 must be here. From top to bottom it must come. Right? So f of minus 2 must be above. If it has to be unique root, means like this. Then only one root will be here. From top to bottom it has to come, means unique root it has to be, means definitely it must be like this. That means what is the condition you have to apply? F of minus 2 positive, f of 2 negative, f of minus 2 positive, f of 2 negative. This is the one. So f of minus 2 positive means f of minus 2, substitute this, minus 8. So this is minus 8 plus 24 plus k greater than 0. That means k greater than minus 60. K greater than minus 16. F of 2 less than 0. F of 2 less than 0 means 2 you substitute. 8 minus 24 k less than 0. That means k less than 16. What is the common? This is minus 16. This is 1. This is 2. This is minus 16 to infinity and this is less than 16. 1 intersection 2 implies k must lie in the interval minus 16 to 16. That is the answer. ఏంటమ్మా అవును 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 డెరివేటివే ఇక్కడ కరెక్ట్ గా రాశారు minus 12. రైట్ చూసి చెప్తా ఉండి పైన లైటింగ్ పడతా ఉంటుంది ఒక్కోసారి కనపడదు అందుకని. So like this, take another problem. Take another problem. Water. Look at the real number k for which the equation 2x cube plus 3x plus k equal to 0 has two distinct real roots. Real roots in 0, 1 is k belongs to 2, 3. K belongs to minus 1, 0. C. K does not exist. D. K belongs to 1, 2. Look at this problem. He is telling that equation must have two distinct real roots. Take that equation graph f of x. This write f dash x. Right. So given that in this interval how the root is, f dash x is nothing but 6x square plus 3. This, so derivative is what? Clearly this is positive, this is positive. So that means you can clearly say f of x increases in 0, 1. So if it is increasing, then there won't be any two real roots. Maximum one root only. There won't be any two roots. If it is increasing from top to bottom, it will go. Then how it can be two real roots? There won't be any two roots. C, that is the answer. Because increasing means you won't get any two roots. 0 or 1 you will get. Look at one. Look at one equation is given 3x to the power 4 plus 4x cube minus 12x square plus some a equal to 0. Some a equal to 0. First question. For P belongs to, he will ask like this. Look at, for A belongs to 5 comma 10. The number of roots of equation is dash. The number of real roots. Okay, one equation he will give and he will give a value also. That means if a lies in this interval, how the graph will be, how to trace out. How the graph will be, how to trace out. So find f dash x. This is 12x cube plus, previously we have done this, factorize, na? This you will get 12x common, 12x common, x square plus x minus 2. That means 12x into x plus 2 into x minus 1, x minus 1. So f dash x equal to 0. You will get minus 2, 0, minus 1. Right? Look at now. Now I am calculating, look at, I have to construct the graph. Minus 2, minus 1, 0, plus infinity. Right? According to this, I have to, because A is also given. now look at f of minus infinity is even power of plus infinity. So f of plus infinity plus infinity plus infinity. Now I am look at here minus 3 means minus 3 if you substitute, derivative is negative, positive, negative, positive. Here decreasing, increasing, decreasing, increasing. I am calculating f of minus 2. I am calculating f of minus 2. I am getting a minus 32. F of minus 1 I will calculate. Previously calculated. Minus 2, 1, 1. F of 1, F of 1. So F of 1 is A minus 5. A minus 5. Look at here. He has told that A belongs to 5 comma 10. Now look at F of minus infinity will be here. F of minus 2, how it will be? We have to trace out. Look at 5 less than A less than 10. If A lies between 5 and 10. Look at here. For this A value, f of minus 2 will be positive or negative. Graph will be decided. F of minus 2 negative. So if A lies between 5 to 10, A minus 5 is what? Positive. That means clearly you know now. F of minus 2 is negative. F of 1 is positive. Clearly because he has given A interval. So that means here it will be negative f of minus 2 and f of 1 0 1 0 1. Right, f of 0 also you must calculate. F of 0, look at f of 0. F of 0 is what? A. F of 0 is what? A. That means f of 0 is also positive. F of 0 is also positive. That means it will be positive here. F of 1 what you got? F of 1 positive. Look at f of 0 positive you got. F of 1 also positive you got. Here itself you mark this. Now look at I am drawing minus infinity to minus 2 decreasing top to bottom. There will be one root here. Then f of 0 positive, that means bottom to top. There will be one root here. F of 1 positive, connect. Decreasing means top to bottom like this. There won't be any root between 0 to 1. F of infinity will be infinity. Somewhere there. So that means bottom to top like this. How many roots are there? Look at 1, 2, 1, 2. That means there will be 2 roots. Depending on the condition, you have to deal with it. Depending on the condition, you have to deal with it. You have to deal with it. Last model over. Last model. Suppose he is asking if last term P belongs to minus 5 comma 0. The number of real roots. Look at P belongs to minus 5 comma 0 means, look at f of minus 2. F of minus 2. P lies between minus 5 and 0. This is negative, negative. Negative. F of 1, negative. F of 0, negative. F of 0, negative. Look at how the graph will be. Minus infinity, plus infinity, minus 2, 0, 1. Minus infinity where here graph. F of minus 2 negative. F of minus 2 is what? Negative. Here decreasing, increasing, decreasing, increasing. Minus 2 you got negative. That means it will be here. F of 0 also you got negative. F of 0 you got negative. That means here. Here f of 1 also negative. That means somewhere here. And f of plus infinity is here. That means, look at here. Minus infinity is where here. So top to bottom like this. So then minus 2 to 0 increasing. That means here to here, bottom to top like this graph will be. And then 0 to 1 decreasing. So graph will be decrease like this and then like this. So how many roots are there? 1. How many? 2 roots. Like that, depending on the A, not P. Depending on the A interval, you have to deal with it. Depending on the A interval, this is negative or positive, it will be decided. Accordingly, you must construct the graph. Okay, thank you all of you. Have a nice day.